This is a 50s, 51 or 2 Atlantic. Real junker came in. It's pretty dirty. Cleaned it up quite a bit. Got it lubricated. Got it rolling. Put some fields on it. New brushes and springs. We'll get that heater for the smoke going here shortly. And is that a runner or what? That's a pull-more motor. Wow. So I have 3 Atlantics now. That's 2 volts. Is this scary? I had to take it down to nothing to turn it off. At 1.25 it was still turning. Wow. Okay, those are mediums, by the way. Arc and medium boosters. New springs and brushes. Magnets. DC motor. Plugged into a DC power supply. I will get it smoking tomorrow, but this is my idea for